Good evening, Matchbox collectors. Here we go. Just got this in. It's Matchbox Working Rigs Case F from 2019. We rarely get these in. Most people never see a case opening of working rigs, I would guess. It's fairly simple. They come with 8 pieces in the box. Let's just get right into it and show you a working rigs Case F. Slice this bad boy open. Here is the top-down view. Comes with a piece of cardboard or something on top. Working rigs are a super cool Matchbox product that most people don't even really look at, I don't think. This one is packed 2 per case. 4 different cars, 2 per case. So we'll just get right into it and show you the cars. Right here is the International Durastar Flatbed 4400 Transporter. The card backs are pretty cool. Some of them have the international warning because it has small parts. Check out that transport right there. Easily fit most Matchbox or Hot Wheels cars on this rig. It's cool to switch it up and, add a piece like this to your collection because you can very easily build a scene with these working rigs. The next 2 are the new Holland Bidirectional. Kind of like a tractor bulldozer. A little bit more lightweight, I would assume. Bulldozer. I actually don't know. I haven't seen one of these in real life, but see the scoop on the back there. The next 2, this one is always a fan favorite, always. 2 per case, as we've talked about. This is the Pierce Aerial Platform Fire Truck, the Pierce Velocity. The ladder extends in and out, right here. Super nice weight to it. This model's very heavy. A lot of metal on it. But the Pierce Velocity aerial truck is just super cool. Nice little fire truck to add to your collection. And then the last 2 cars are the Western Star 6900 XD. Check that work truck out. That's pretty sweet. Comes in a nice blue metallic color. Got the hook on the back there. It's got pretty cool tampos on it. There you go. There's a case of working rigs. 8 cars per case, 2 of each. Here's the top-down view of it. I don't know if you've ever got a working rig before, but I would suggest checking one out. So, thanks guys. Have a good evening.